My name is Erin and I study HNC Mechanical Engineering. I wanted something practical and knew I didn't want to go and do A-levels or potentially go to uni, so decided on mechanical engineering at college. I like the teachers. It's not so formal, it's a lot more, the teachers are your friend and they give you a lot of support if you need it. And if you ask, they'll help you do anything. I would hopefully like a degree, so after I finish HNC, go on to do HND and then a degree, which can be done at Coleg Gwent. I was proud of the fact that last year I had a distinction in almost every unit apart from one, which was mewn. I think the teachers are willing to give you a lot more support and they become less of an authority figure and more of a friend. And you make many different types of friends, not necessarily the ones that are just on your course. I was definitely not very confident and nervous when I started, and I think chucking myself into a different environment where I didn't really know anyone kind of forced me to become more confident. If you want something that's practical but give you also a lot of theory, my course is great and it won't be as formal as uni. You can get the same level of qualification.